Hello everyone. Now, as you remember that we just tried to calibrate the wavelength accuracy. The wavelength accuracy at the first failed, and then eventually we did 2 times wavelength calibration at the end. It become okay. So I'm gonna retry again to see if it passed or not. As you can see, so we did the wavelength accuracy check again after 2 times wavelength calibration. Then is passed. As you see, the difference is plus minus 0.2. The specification is just accept that plus minus 0.2 nanometers is the difference, just acceptable. So now we're done with the wavelength calibration, accuracy, and validation, performance and validation test. So, which I like what I explained it, it's many of those instruments that you can see in other places, they are off calibration. We are just refurbishing. We refurbish this instrument in order to work perfectly fine. So now I'm just going to clear this one. Then I'm going to go to wavelength scan, and I'm going to I have already done with what do you call it, with background, which is this one. I did the background. Those cell is just all plastic cell. So basically, as you can see, so I'm gonna place this methyl orange. This is methyl orange solution diluted. I added a little acetic acid to make it more colorful. So then see what it does. So I'm gonna ask them scan. Ask me to do the blank. So I have to do the blank now first, because I done the blank first, and then it just asked me again because they did the validation test. Okay, the blank. We do the blank now. So we do have methyl orange, and also this one is sodium chromate solution. As you can see, there's a little yellowish you can see in here. I don't know if it's just clear or not, because if you make it too colorful, then just gonna be truncated peak and just gonna be overload. So that's sodium chromate. It just dilutes sodium chromate solution. So now see how it does this wavelength scan. The background is finished. Okay, that's all backgrounds. So that's methyl orange acidified with acetic acid. So there are some extra pictures going to give us just the acetic acid is there. So anyway, so we know that when you add some acetic acid or something, we're gonna have some extra peaks. So the main point that as you know, that it's a plastic cell. The plastic cells, they do have absorption below 250. So as you can see, some noisy area in that position. So that's noise just because the plastic cell is there. Okay, so that's methyl orange. Now we're gonna go to sodium chromate solution that we know close to 300 or something. There is a sharp peak for this chemical in a solution. So here it comes now. That's our peak. Sodium chromate solution. Very nice and smooth peaks. Any chemist knows the peaks in UV. They're, it's not sharp, and everybody knows the reason. So anyway, so let me just, so that's 2 pixels. So I'm just gonna clear that, right? So we've done those two.